Expressions come in many shapes. It can be a number, a variable, or an operation. But what really makes them special is that the inputs of operations are also expressions. Thus, we can have expressions inside other expressions. Here are some mathematical examples. As in mathematics, operands are evaluated left to right, and expressions inside the innermost parentheses are evaluated first. For example, to evaluate 3 plus 4 times 5, Python first evaluates 3 plus 4, and then multiplies 5 to the sum. Thus the output is 35. We can also construct compound Boolean expressions. Here's an example. Python first evaluates 5 is greater than 4. It then evaluates 3 is less than 10. Then the expression reduces to true and true, which is true. Here's another example. Python first evaluates 6 equals 6. Then the expression reduces to not true, which is false. We can also omit the parentheses as follows. By default, Python evaluates from left to right. Thus, Python first adds 1 and 4, then subtracts 5, then subtracts 9. But Python also respects mathematical order of operations. For example, given the expression 1 plus 4 times 5, Python will first multiply 4 and 5, then add 1 to the output. Thus, the output is 21. If Python evaluated from left to right again, the output would be 25. What happens when we add comparison operators? Consider the following example. 1 plus 3 is greater than 5 plus 5. Arithmetic operations are evaluated first, then comparisons. Thus, Python first evaluates 1 plus 3, then 5 plus 5. Then the expression reduces to 4 is greater than 10, which is false. The operator precedence table shows us which operations happen first. The rows are shown in order of decreasing precedence. For example, multiplications are evaluated before subtractions.